Hi, I'm Dra Pia. I trained in pediatrics, and this is Julian. He's 6 months old. Hygiene is an essential part of daily care, especially for babies, for newborns. So when you go home from the hospital, it's great that the parents, especially new parents, get to see how to bathe their baby from nurses, from midwives in the hospital. But when they go home on their own, they're lost again. So now, before giving baby a bath, make sure that you have all the essentials with you. Clean towel, and then the towel that you will use to bathe with the baby. And you have the cotton, you have your bath soaps, you have other oils, and then you have his clean clothes. You have the bath. So what's important for the bath is that you check the temperature of the water. So it should be around 32 degrees. Not too hot, but still warm for the baby. You check it using your wrist or your elbow. Have it beside you while you're doing the sponge bath with the baby. What's important for newborns is that their umbilical cord doesn't get moist or wet for a long time. So the usual tub bath is not really recommended for newborns. So what we do is sponge bath or the swaddle. So we remove the baby's clothing. You can leave on the diaper while doing this and immediately cover the baby with a towel or swaddle. So we start with cleaning the baby's face. It's the only one that's exposed at this time. So you use a cotton. We start with the eyes. So you use one cotton at a time. For the eyes, you gently wipe the area from the inner corner outwards. So there. And then dispose this. And then you get another cotton. And then wipe from the inner corner outwards. Next, we clean the face. It's the same way as the eyes. You do it one side at a time. So clean the face, make sure that you cover from his forehead to his cheeks, and then dispose, and then the other side from forehead, cheeks, and then his mouth area. Next is the body. So you start with the chest, then the abdomen, and then the arms, and then the extremities. You place soap, a bit of bath soap if you have. Baby is still on the towel, and then afterwards you rinse the baby's body in the tub. Then you place the baby back in the table after rinsing the body, and then you dry him up using a clean towel, and then you cover him up, and then you place a clean diaper. Still, if the baby is a newborn, don't cover the umbilical cord. And after this time, this is a good time after the bath when the baby is dry to moisturize the baby. So you can have and mommy and baby time. You can bond with the baby. You can do a massage. You can use oil or lotion. And then afterwards, it's a good way to initiate sleep for the baby.